Let's run through setting the time on a G-Shock DW-9052. To enter time setting mode, we want to press the upper left button, which is labeled adjust, and we'll see our seconds display start flashing. To toggle between 12 and 24-hour modes, we want to press the illuminator button. To reset our seconds display to 0, we'll press the bottom right button. And now to cycle between our hours and minutes, we'll press the mode button, which is the bottom left, and we'll see it start flashing. Now we can use the bottom right button to adjust our time, and it is currently 11 where I live. We'll press mode again to enter minutes, 11:12 where I live. Mode once more to go to the year, it's 2025. Mode again to enter month, it's April. And mode again to enter the day, it is the 7th. Once you're all done, we just simply press adjust again, and now our watch is properly set and ready to tell time. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope this time setting tutorial was quick and to the point, and please be sure to subscribe if you're interested in more tutorials and watch related content. Thank you so much.